Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Heroku config Vars after security incident, full guide step by step clearly. Log in to your Heroku account. Navigate to the dashboard for your specific app. Select the Settings tab from the app menu. Scroll down to the Config Vars section. Take note of any existing config Vars that you may need to restore. If you don't see the previous values, check your version control or documents for backups. Open your terminal or command prompt. Use the Heroku CLI to retrieve the existing config Vars if you have them backed up. Run the command Heroku config app your app name. This will display the current config Vars set for your application. Identify which Vars need to be restored. If you have a backup file, prepare to input the config Vars from there. To set a config var, use the command Heroku config set var_name equals value app your app name. Replace var_name with the name of your variable and value with the appropriate value. Repeat this step for each config var that needs to be restored. Once you have set all necessary vars, verify them by running Heroku config app your app name again. Check logs or your application functionality to ensure everything is working correctly. If any issues arise, review your config var values for accuracy. Consider implementing a more secure backup solution for your config vars in the future. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.